fine at home. Today we are going to discuss the third lesson, our senses lesson 2, remaining part. Okay, up to where we completed, children? Important points we completed. Next keywords. Next answer the following questions. And now today we are going to discuss about tick the correct answers. Okay, tick the correct answers. How many here? 3 sentences are given and 4 options also. Each sentence had 4 options. Okay, you have to tick the correct statement. Okay, 4 options to which is correct, you have to tick there. What is the first statement, children? What is the first sentence? Which is the largest sense organ? Largest sense organ. Option A. Okay, children, I will write option A, option B, option C, option D. But you have to complete that, tick the correct answers in your textbooks, children. Okay. Eyes. Option B. Ears. Option C. Nose. Option D. Skin. One subject, children. What is the question? Which is the largest sense organ? When we are discussing the lesson, I already explained you which organ is largest sense organ, children. Skin. Okay. Option D, skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Okay. Next, second one is which of these is hard to touch? Hard to touch. Option A, feather. Option B, stone. Option C, pillow. Option D, teddy. Teddy means teddy bear. Okay. Once observe the sentence properly, children. Which of these is hard to touch? ముట్టుకున్న వెంటనే గట్టిగా అనిపించే టచ్ ఏదో చూడండి. ఫిదర్స్ అంటే రెక్కలు, ఈకలు. స్టోన్ మీన్స్ రాడు. పిల్లో మీన్స్ మనం పడుకున్నప్పుడు పిల్లోస్ పెట్టుకుంటాం కదా అవి. నెక్స్ట్ టెడ్డీ బేర్. ఓకే, విచ్ ఈస్ వెరీ హార్డ్ టు టచ్, చిల్డ్రన్? స్టోన్. ఓకే, ఆప్షన్ బి స్టోన్ ఈస్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. Next, the third one is which is the organ of smell? Which is the organ of smell? Question mark. Option A, nose. Option B, ears. Option C, tongue. Option D, all of these. Okay, what is the question, children? Which is the organ of smell? How we are smelling, children? With the help of nose. Yes or no? Which organ is helpful for smelling? Nose. Okay. What is the first statement, children? Which is the largest sense organ? Skin is the largest sense organ. So you have to tick in D. Next. Okay. Open your textbooks and write down, children. These all. Okay. Don't write in your CWs. Which of these is hard to touch? Stone. Yes or no? Stone is hard to touch. Option B is correct. Next, which is the organ of smell? Which organ do we are taking smell, children? We observe smell with the help of nose. Yes or no? Next, all of you complete this. Take the correct statement. Next one is completed. First one, which is the largest sense organ? Skin is the largest sense organ because total body, our body is completely covered with skin. Yes or no? Without of skin, we are looking like skeletons. Next, which of these is hard to touch? Feathers, stones, pillow and teddy. These three are very soft. Yes or no? Feathers, smoothly held. Pillow, it will be smooth. Teddy also smooth. But stone is very hard to touch. Next, which is the organ of smell? Which organ do nose, ears, tongue, all of these? Ears to what we hear? Only we are hearing the sounds. Tongue to we are tasting food. All of these not. So, nose is correct answer. Tick here. Completed, children? Next, tick the next. I hope all of you completed this. In our previous class, we already completed question and answers. Now, here we completed tick the correct answers, children. Next, tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. Okay. Option D. Tick the correct statement. Tick the correct statement and cross the wrong one. Wrong one. Here also 4 statements are given, children. 4 sentences are given. If the statement is correct, you have to tick. If the statement is wrong, you have to cross it. Okay? What is the first one? It is our duty. It is our duty to help different able people. Differently abled people. Differently abled people. Once observe, children, what is the statement here? What it is our duty. Yes or no? It is our duty because the people who are different abled means we have to, because we all are humans. మనమందరం మనుషులం కాబట్టి మన డ్యూటీ ఇది. ఎందుకు different able the persons who are facing problems like the persons who cannot see or hear or talk, we should be kind and sensitive for them. So it is the correct statement. Okay, the statement is correct. Next, blind people can see. Blind people can see. Once observe the statement properly, children. Blind people can see. The blind people, actually the blind people cannot see. Yes or no? So the statement is wrong. You have to cross it. Okay? Cross it. Next, what is the third statement, children? A rose has a pleasant smell. A rose has a pleasant smell. Pleasant smell. Are you like the smells of flowers? Yes, everyone will like the smells of flowers. Have you seen the smell of rose? It will be very nice. So it is correct. Garbage and dryness smell is very dirty smell we get, but a rose smell is pleasant smell. Next, what is the fourth statement, children? Fourth one. Whenever we touch anything, hot or cold, our brain tells us to keep the hands there. Once observe the statement, children. Whenever we touch anything hot, otherwise you have to think you are touching the hot water. Your skin is giving information to your brain, yes or no? And the brain tells keep your hand there. Brain em cheptundi akkade unchu chetulu neellu ani cheptuda. No, it is wrong statement. What the brain will tell? Within seconds, not half seconds, it will be, we will take within the seconds we are taking our hand, because our brain is giving the correct information. What is the information? Keep the hands away. తీసేయమని చెప్తుంది. So the statement is wrong. The statement ఏముంది? అక్కడే వాటర్ లోనే ఉంచండి అని చెప్తుందని చెప్తుంది. So the statement is wrong. Okay, what is the first statement, children? It is our duty to help different abled people. Yes, it is the correct statement. It is our duty. We should be kind and sensitive towards the different abled people. So it is the correct statement. Blind people can see. Actually, who are called blind people, children? The people who cannot see, or people who cannot see are called blind people. So once observe the statement, blind people can see. So the statement is wrong. Cross it. A rose has a pleasant smell. A rose has a pleasant smell. Yes, nice smell. When we observe the rose smell means it will be nice. Tick. Next, whenever we touch anything hot, our brain tells us to keep the hands there. Okay, it is wrong statement because actually our brain gives the information to remove the hand. So it is the wrong statement, children. I hope all of you completed. You have to complete this also in your textbook. Okay, don't write in your CWs. Diary, tomorrow's diary, children. Read and write lesson 3. Tick the color. Okay, C and D means C and D one time. C and D means tick the correct answers and cross the wrong one, wrong statement. Okay, you have to write down this D, and before I taught you, see that 2 portions you have to write down in your homework book and send that homework to your adopted teacher, children. You must read. Okay, thank you, children. We will meet in next class.